Good morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, you're seeing a little bit of a rebound in markets. It was announced that on tweet that Trump thinks that the China's relationships are okay. So that kind of offered some support. We're up 2 cents in November beans at 10.08. Corn's up a penny at 4.14, while wheat's down 2 cents at 4.96. Looks like the stock market's going to open up sharply higher. The dollar's higher. Crude's up $1, and gold is making new highs at 4,100. So as far as the grain news are concerned, I think on Friday we saw some weakness in the bean market because Trump came out and said he was going to increase tariffs on China. We also noted that both countries have increased fees on vessels arriving to their countries. U.S. vessels in China, China vessels here in the United States. Also, Trump said he may not meet Xi. We don't know if that has changed since then. Today, we're watching as all of the hostages, Israeli hostages, are released by Hamas. And Israel is slowly pulling out of Gaza, but 90% of Gaza is completely destroyed and has to be rebuilt for those people that are going back. So all these things are kind of offering a little bit of support underneath the markets. On Friday, we saw one group estimate the U.S. corn carryout at 24.60. That is due to the higher carry-in for the most part, and they came out with their first 26-27 estimate. Acres down to 94.4 for corn versus 98.7, a 186 yield. All this suggests carry out a little over 2.6 billion bushels, which is negative to prices. In the beans, they raised the acres to 84 from 81.1. They also estimated that the oat crop carryout will be 417 due to lower exports. And some people are even a couple of 100 million bushels below this number of 1,500, which would raise the carryout closer to 600 because of lack of China buying. They put in next year's 84 million acres, a yield of 54, and a carryout of 480. In the wheat market, they dropped acres a little bit, 44.6 from 45.3, estimated yield around 52, and a carryout 840 versus government's 844 this year. So all in all, again, the big theme is that too much world supply of grains versus demand, which should be bearish prices.